of fish. Ooh, we over here stunting too, like stunt, real stunt, not rap. Stunt. We gotta get this fish. You know? Oh my baby, what's happening? What's up, though? This is Rainbow Trout. Thank you for watching so much. We really appreciate it. We love it, and we hungry. We hungry. Ah, I'm ready to, yeah. This is good size. This is good size. Good size. We always like that though, you know? Thank you for watching, guys. Peace, happy holidays. Good fish, good trout. Peace out. Good trout, peace out. Thank you so much. Peace.
We got a fish, baby.
Oh yeah.
Oh yeah.
What do you think? This mama or dad? This is daddy because he got the fin. This is boy. See, I'm gonna show you something. See, when this educational one-on-one science fishing trout or any fish, when there's a fin right here, it means it's a boy. When there's no fin here, it's a girl. Thank you, peace out. I'm telling the truth. Thank you so much. Oh, I was hungry. Wanted some grass. Oh, thank you very much. Thank you.